Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow sharing your posts and reels to stories on Instagram web using your PC. This is part of a newer update, and if you haven't checked your settings recently, you might be missing out on this simple but useful feature. Let's get right into it. First, open Instagram on your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control different aspects of your profile and privacy. Now, inside the settings menu, look for the option labeled Sharing and Reuse. Click on that to open it. This section is where Instagram lets you manage how your content can be shared by you and others. Once you're in Sharing and Reuse, find the option that says Posts and Reels to Stories. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. If it's turned off, simply click on it to enable the feature.